Not one, not two, but tres amigos. And you know what? The folks at the Robson Ranch, they're going to be very, very happy to make you a fourth partner in this whole business they've got coming up. Mary Haynes, a week from today. It's a big event, right?
Absolutely.
Why?
Well, we like to have fun with our residents in our community, so...
And you do it with tequila, don't you?
Absolutely, absolutely. What's a better time than a little bit of tequila in your life?
Robson Ranch Grill, Monday, the farm to glass tequila dinner. I understand what the glass is because we just saw the ingredient that goes in the glass. What happens with the farm?
The farm, they actually make it in-house, and then it is bottled in from their distributors right now.
So Mary, the key to this, though, is introducing people to the fact that you don't just pair wine with food, that tequila can be paired with different dishes, too.
Oh, that is correct. We're actually trying to show that you can incorporate delicious food with every drink that we prepare.
And some of this delicious
well
food
together.
that you're
Absolutely.
preparing now. What is that?
This is actually mahi fish.
Yes?
So we're making some mahi tacos, and we're going to put on our cabbage, and we're going to have our tomatillo salsa, and I've also got a chipotle creme fraiche to go with.
Now, that's what you're going to do. That's coming up in just a moment and a half. But what you've already done is something like this. Everybody loves a wrap.
Yes.
But
that is our...
Take a look at this.
That is our avocado wrap that we make in-house. That's served daily on our menu.
And for those of you who think that Louisiana stops in the South, look at this po' boy.
Oh, it sure don't.
Oh, that is so good. And what are the ingredients here?
We have our Cajun shrimp po' boy that has its topped with tempura Cajun, and it also has an ancho ranch dressing that goes with it.
And next to that
is our salmon sandwich with our house-made fries that we slice in-house daily.
And when you say our and we, you're talking about the Robson Ranch Grill.
I am absolutely talking about Robson Ranch Grill in Eloy, Arizona.
Okay. Now, it's really important, though, that people know, because if you're outside of the immediate area of Restaurant Row, sometimes we get confused.
Yes.
So where can I find you?
Well, if you take the 10 south towards Tucson, you'll see a little sign that says Eloy. There's about 400 people that live in this community of Eloy itself, but we're on the outskirts. And then inside the community, we have around 2,000 residents that live with us.
And very friendly residents, too.
Oh, absolutely.
Eloy, one of the neat neighborhood towns that make up at least a part of the Valley of the Sun. So, okay, what are you adding here to the taco?
Right now, I'm adding our chipotle creme fraiche.
How do I know, though, about the pairing? Who do I talk to about what tequila drinks go with what dishes?
Well, we have our mixologist on site, which is our restaurant assistant manager.
Remember
Jody?
when they used to call them bartenders back in the old days?
Yes.
No, these are mixologists now. These are people with degrees in how to put together the right kind of tequila. By the way, we might as well acknowledge there is a right kind of tequila, right?
There is, absolutely.
You want to name it right now?
That is Three Amigos Tequila.
Oh, I think I said something about that at the beginning, right?
That is correct.
It probably should be mentioned several hundred more times because these are the folks that are also a part of the glass involving the farm to glass dinner. Now, this is coming up a week from today. What time?
At 5 o'clock.
What else do we need to know?
Reservations only. You can call ahead of time, press 1 for our restaurant, and we can go ahead and set you up on our waiting list.
You know what would be a terrific idea is you look at a loved one and say, look, it's a brand new season. We're talking about a brand new spring. Easter's back then. How about if I take you to Eloy to dinner? Not just any place in Eloy, but
Robson Ranch Grill.
For the dinner that pairs tequila with all of this great food, the Cobb salad and the tacos, and don't forget the po' boys. You won't after you visit the Robson Ranch Grill next Monday and maybe every day thereafter. Stick around.